camera.
Baliktad. Okay, number 1.
Okay, number 1.
This is the winner. Yeah, winner is Pilsner. Tikman na natin. Ikaw muna. Wala ko ba? Wala pang kain. Sarap. Sige.
Totoo kaya yung reaction? Let's see the other girls' reaction.
Parang red horse. Parang red horse.
It's okay because you guys are not beer drinkers.
Next is Juicy IPA. This is fat juicy, so I think there's fat in it. Are you sure? Yeah.
It's just the name.
No. I don't know. Maybe. Let's
See?
try. Let's try. You try. It's bitter. I'm not into beers. Pinahilo na siya. Let's try the fruit flavor. Yeah.
Yung regret.
And cranberry. Ikaw mauna. Sunmig cranberry. Sana masarap. Parang it's not giving. The reaction is not giving. Oh my gosh. Sour.
Is it?
It's sour. Try sour cranberry.
It's good.
It's good. Feeling ko magustuhan to ni Tito. Parang
Pilsner?
red horse natin. The last one is the green apple. Okay, green apple.
Wala pa ako nakikitang magandang reaction.
It's good. Meron siyang vinegar. Ano ba yun? Totoo. Parang vinegar.
Maubos nyo ba yan?
Tikim ani.
Baka apple cider yan.
Yeah, it's like apple cider. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
We're not into beers. Tikman mo lang. Tikim lang. Wala namang tama. Huwag mo ubusin. Yung ganun